Therefore, when we were gone up to thy servant our father, we told him all that my Lord had said. And our father said, Go again and buy us a little wheat. And we said to him, We cannot go, for if our youngest brother go down with us, we will set out together. Otherwise, without him, we dare not see the man's face. Whereunto he answered, You know that my wife bore me too. One went out, and you said, A beast devoured him, and hitherto he appeareth not. If you take this also, and anything befall him in the way, you shall bring down my gray hairs with sorrow into hell.